Good morning, everybody. Well, as some of you could probably guess, I am in the sunflower state. I ended up down in Wichita, Kansas. Miss Linda helped me pack up a little bit yesterday, and we went to the farm store. We got one chicken that she has been doctoring, and she's playing nurse with the chicken, I should say. I don't know what's wrong with her. She's real swelled up, kind of a, we call it poopy butt, maybe. She doesn't want to walk around. She'll get out and walk about maybe 10 feet from the chicken house. And yesterday she just sat there, and I thought, man, one of them turkey buzzards is going to come flying around, or the hawk or something, take her, which, is part of life. But so they were forecasting rain for this morning for Kansas City, like 60% chance of thunderstorms. So I think it was about 8 o'clock when I got on the road. I went down and got gas, filled up, and started headed south. And I'll tell you what, that wind was ripping yesterday or last night, because I made it to Lebo, Kansas, which is just north of Emporia. Now, I did record a couple of clips on the GoPro. I don't know if I'll delete them or what, but I stopped at a Casey's there at Lebo, Kansas, and I don't like doing it, but I stopped at a Casey's and all they had was 87 octane for the bike, and I usually, put the premium 91 octane. And I figured my gas mileage, and it was 30 miles per gallon, which is not bad for pulling that trailer with that bike. Usually, if it's just me and the bike, and no trailer or nothing, I can get 38 to 40 miles per gallon. I mean, the wind was blowing, and I had to actually, you could feel the wind, and you actually have to lean a little bit to stay in your lane. Well, I think it was about 11:30. I pulled in here, and by gosh, they had a room. It's right off the interstate, and it was under 100, and I said, I'll take it. And I asked for a room right outside the parking lot. He said, well, I got a handicapped king. And I said, that's fine. I'm a little bit mentally handicapped anyway. I'm not trying to make fun of all you handicapped people. If you're watching, I'm a little handicapped up here, a little deranged, right? So, no, seriously. I'm just thankful I made it safe down here, because, man, I was hammering on. Well, I wasn't. I was running the speed limit. Oh, crud. Hold on just a second here. Okay, I muted the TV. I'm watching the news. Evidently, someone's getting indicted, or whatever that means. Or what for? I mean, let's waste some more taxpayers' money. So, another positive thing when I got down here is one of my favorite, well, if you're gonna get fast food, my favorite fast food joint was open. So I had to go through the drive-thru on that deal. The square cheeseburger place. That was actually my paycheck, my first paycheck job, so. Well, I've had a cup of coffee. The coffee isn't too bad. I put a couple of creamers and some sugars. You know how it is with motel coffee. It's not my Folgers, but it will do. Got one of these trees out here with the white buds on it. I was gonna park right outside here in this spot right over here, but it's for the handicapped. And I don't have one of those blue things I can put on the bike, so with the wheelchair dude on it. So, I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. I can't remember what that tree is. Anyway. Well, I'm gonna take a shower and clean up a little bit. And I slept about, I don't know, 5-6 hours, something like that. So it's well worth the money to have a nice bed to sleep in. Hope y'all follow along and say hi to a stranger and thank a veteran, shake a veteran's hand. See, you know, if they're wearing a hat, I usually say hi to them at least, you know. Yeah. Hope you all have a good day. It's Friday, Freaky Friday. So, all right, people. We'll talk to you later. Say bye.